How to delete your Telegram app and account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Telegram app as well as your account. Now it's quite simple. If you want to delete your app, what you can do is simply uninstall the app. You can head into Play Store or App Store and search in for Telegram, and there on the screen you can see you will get uninstall option. However, if you want to delete your account, what you need to do is simply head into your browser, head into your phone browser, and then here search in for Telegram account delete. Now, simply type in Telegram space account space delete and you'll get this first link, mytelegram.org. Simply head into it and here you'll see delete account or manage apps. Type in your phone number in an international format. In an international format means along with your country code here. Now remember, you'll get the code on your Telegram app, not on your phone. So simply head into Telegram app and get the confirmation code. I'll quickly type in my confirmation code that I just received. Now here, I just typed in the wrong confirmation code. Make sure to type in the correct confirmation code and then sign in. Once you sign in, you can see you'll get three different options, and the middle one you can see delete account. Simply tap on delete account and here type in your reason you are leaving. Simply type in just wanna leave or something else. You can type whatever you want and then simply tap on delete my account, and here once you do it, simply tap on yes delete my account and your account will be deleted. So simply tap on yes delete my account and your account will be deleted. As you can see, your account was successfully deleted, and if you head into Telegram you'll be logged out of your account. I've been logged out of my other account, and this is my other number. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.